Hey everybody, Scott Cameron with MarineMax Brick. Today we're going to be featuring the 2022 Bertram 28 center console. If we look in the back, you'll notice that you have the Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke engines, plenty of rod holders and a shore power connection. And we can move into the spacious cockpit on this boat. Really set up for fishing. It's got a nice live well in the back, it's got a dive door, and it has a retractable seat for when you're fishing. Comes right out for when you're just hanging out at the dock. Plenty of rod holders and recessed cleats in the boat, which is a great feature. Then in the back, a nice bait prep area with plenty of tackle storage. I love the helm station on this boat. It's equipped with dual Garmin screens, which are networked to the engine, so you can see all your gauges. The boat does have a bow thruster, JL Audio premium sound system, electronic controls, and take a look at these chairs. Double diamond stitching, top quality chairs here in the helm station. All right, let's talk about some of the features in the bow of this 28-foot Bertram. The first thing you'll notice are the recessed handrails, which are great for fishing. Plenty of seating and cushioning, which is removable if you are fishing and using the platform. Boat has a windlass anchor and then an absolutely awesome head area with a sink inside the boat. Walk right through, 2 steps down. Thanks for taking a look at this 2022 28-foot Bertram. It's available for showings and immediate delivery at the Brick MarineMax.